Okay, my name is Loren I've been with Thermo King for, since 1986. So that's quite a few years, 37 years, I believe, something like that. I've been at the same dealership here since that time, working with a good family, and now the third generation, and I think he's doing just fine. Company's been growing. And why have I been here this long? Well, I have actually tried other jobs. Friends, of course, they want me to work in finance or insurance or whatever it is, and that's not me. I am technically inclined, mechanically inclined, and I enjoy what I do, helping out customers. And I do have some strong customers that come in just for me, so that's rewarding. And now we have a lot of changes. We got a lot of new guys. I was going to retire this year, but I'm enjoying answering all the questions they have and to helping them out. So that's what keeps me going, helping out the customers, helping out the new guys coming up, and I enjoy it.